Kristen, kena air ini?
Tidak apa, Pak.
Tidak apa?
Orangutan attacks man at the zoo.
These are all dead jellyfish, you guys. What is going on? All of these. Look at this. This is so... It's so sad. This is so sad.
Most people have no idea what is happening right now to the biggest mammals that Earth has, at least that's known. If there's any more past the ice wall, whatever. This is shocking. Wait until you hear what's happening to these poor whales. So as you may know, whales, everything about them is dependent on, their survival is dependent on sound. They hear their prey, they hear their mating calls, they talk to each other hundreds of miles away. A whale can be on one side of the ocean and yell to another whale hundreds and hundreds of miles away, over 1,000 miles, and communicate at that distance. They have their own languages. They have figured out that these friggin' things got big brains and a lot of folds in their brain, which increases their IQ, their potential for intelligence. According to this documentary, which we've heard very little about, and I recommend everyone watch, what's disrupting these whales, unfortunately, is something that is so horrifying. Picture this. I put headphones on your head, I tape them to your head so you can't take them off, I crank it to full blast and press play, a noise that is so deafening. Wait until you hear what these poor whales have to listen to. This is why they're beaching themselves. Thousands of cases of whales escaping this deafeningly loud noise that's making them go crazy, and they'd rather perish and drown.
Something was causing all these whales to want to abandon the deep water and get the hell out of it.
I'm not fucking with this. This is the doomsday fish, aka oarfish, and they wash ashore when there's an impending disaster coming to the area. They just found one in Mexico. I know that sounds like bullshit, but scientists say there might be some truth behind this because this is a deep sea fish, so it may feel the change in the pressure in the ocean and actually swim ashore. And there's a timeline behind this too. 2011, several of these fish washed ashore in Japan right before they had a 9.1 earthquake and tsunami. Same thing in 2017 in the Philippines. They spotted oarfish and then they had an earthquake. Same thing in Mexico in 2020. Spotted some oarfish, had an earthquake. Same thing in 2024. 3 of these oarfish were spotted in California for the first time in 125 years. Shortly after that, in December, there was an earthquake. The other reason I'm not fucking with this is because it's not just deep sea creatures that are beaching themselves. 150 whales just beached themselves in Australia and they don't know why. I'm not saying impending disaster is coming or a natural disaster is coming, but the ocean sure seems to know something.